Okay, task is you have to tell me a sentence in present perfect tense only. Okay? Tell me, anybody. Each student has only one chance. We have told a story, right? Yes. I have played badminton. Badminton. Yes.
I have spoken English.
I have spoken English.
We have written a book.
We have written a book.
I have gone.
I have gone.
It has gone.
It has gone. Yes.
I have looked at a picture.
I have looked at a picture. Yes.
I have read a story.
I have read a story. Now change the pronoun, subjective pronoun. Only I. Go to another pronoun. Yes.
Sir, they have spoken English.
They have spoken English. Yes.
It has drunk milk.
It has drunk milk. Very good.
I have listened a story.
I have listened a story. Yes.
I have drink a water.
Drink. I have drink water. What is? I have drink water. Is it right? What is right? What is? Yes. Also.
I have drunk water.
Drunk water. Good. I have
Drunk water.
drunk water is right. I liked a milk. Is it right? What is right? I have
liked
milk. Not a milk. Okay. Yes. Kumar.
We have asked a question.
We have asked a question. Anybody? Kalyan. I have eaten a mango. Wait. Your chance is over. Yes. I have bought a pen. I have listened a story. She has closed the door. Yes.
Listen a story.
Huh?
She has listen a story.
You has or you have. What is right?
He has listened a story.
He has. Okay. You
You have listened a story.
you have listened a story. Right.
You have taken a book.
You have taken a book. Right. Claps.